Check your federal return and make sure it's good to go. All right, continue. All right, so now they're checking. So here's drum roll. Nice, your federal return is in great shape. Oh, it's in great shape. Do I have to pay? Is the question. Oh, there it is. All right, y'all. So today is gonna be a quick video. I've never done a video like this before, but today I'm gonna go ahead and show you me filing my taxes. I'm kind of curious to see how much, if I'm gonna get anything back or if I have to pay, given the whole new, the new standard deduction for singles, which I'm not one to have a really big tax return. Like Dave Ramsey says, you know, it's just money I'm giving to the government at tax-free, and I don't want to do that. So now obviously I'm getting more money back every check, but I'm not getting a huge tax return, you know? So let's go ahead and kick in real quick to TurboTax. So this is what I've been using the last few years. So let's go ahead and get started on the free edition. Go and click it. And I do have my paper that I need, which is my student loan interest for 2018. So it tells you at the beginning, let's start by getting to know you. I don't know why it keeps asking me that. It auto-filled already for me. Let me fill in this information real quick. Great to meet you. We love our Texas customers. We're in San Diego, California, by the way. Like I needed to know that. All right, so how did you do your taxes last year? Last year I went through an accountant, I believe, yeah. How you feel about doing your taxes? I feel good, baby. What was your marital status on December 31st, 2018? Single. Did any of these apply to you in 2018? Children, dependents? Not that I know of. College student? No. Graduated. Owned a home? I wish. Paid rent? Yes. Get an idea of your financial picture. Ooh. Select anything that applied in 2018. Had a job, donations to charity. Well, you see, I do, but it was like the goodwill, you know, like I had clothes. When I moved, I had old things that I just donated to them. Now with the standard deduction at $12,000, they call it itemized. I don't think I donated enough to itemize, so I'm gonna leave that blank. College expenses, tuition, nope. Paid student loan interest, yep. And then yeah, that's it. So let's go to continue. Oh, you're speeding towards the finish line, Raul. Dang, already we just got started. All right, got my personal info. All right, so let's keep going. Sign in now, save time later. Let's do it. First up, now let's run through your personal information. Go ahead and fill out what I need right here, and then I'll fast forward. Tell us the states you've lived in. Texas, baby, Texas. Let's confirm your marital status. Again. I said single, man, come on. Do you have children or support another person? No, I do not. Enter your current mailing address. All right, I'm gonna blur this one out because I don't want y'all to stalk me. Moving on, they recommend the plus on my taxes. Why do they recommend that? Let's see, includes federal return, state return, special blah, blah, blah. Oh, of course. Because it's $19.99. So what's the purpose of the product and support and 24/7 tax return? $20. Nah, I'm good. Let's do this. Got my W-2. Marked on my W-2. Click continue. Let's see. Box B. Great. Just added your employer information. There you go. This is the juicy stuff. Wages, tips, and other compensation. For box one, we got total up $46,693.44. Box two, federal income tax withheld, $34.74.77. Security wages, $52.58.13. Security tax withheld, $31.1600. Next up, we got less common items. Box 7. Any tips? No. Allocated tips? No. Nothing. Verification scale? No, nothing. What I got section 12A. So we'll go all the way to 12A. This is a what? Double E. So I have a small Roth contribution, a 457B plan. which I contribute the minimum. Well, this is when I first got hired. Right now I got total is $300. Let's see what else we got. Box 13, retirement plan. So I contributed a total of $35.64.69 in my standard retirement program. That's mandatory at my job. In Dave Ramsey's program, he tells you to stop all retirement while you're in baby step 2. I can't because they mandatory take 7% of my check every month. Cost of employer-sponsored health coverage. 8871. 12. Yes, state and local taxes, boxes 15 through 20 are all 0 because taxes, baby, taxes. Click continue. Well, now let's do a quick check of the numbers so far. Your current tax due is $496. So after I put in my numbers for so far for my wages and income, it's telling me that I have to pay $496 so far. They say at the bottom, let's keep going. We'll check for tax breaks to chip away at your tax due. Yes, please, let's do that. All right, moving on, continue. Do any of these uncommon situations apply to this W-2? Worked outside US? No. Paid family leave? No. Unreported tips? No. Religious employment? No. Foreign? No. Pension plan? No. Wait, I got money? No. Correct W-2? No. Standard tip? No. Intermittent halfway house? Nope. None of the above. Bam. Continue. Let's review box 14. So description, I guess I'm going to double check that one. Continue. Do you have another W-2? Negative, Ghost Rider. Here's your W-2 info. Bam. So there is my information. Double checking. 46. Yep. And we're moving on. Let's check for any other 2018 income. All right. Did you earn rental or royalty income? Royalty and rental, and that's gotta be that's on a whole nother level right there. No, I did not. Did you receive any interest payments? No. Wish. Did you receive any retirement income? Nope. Did you receive interest from a seller finance mortgage? Negative. Did you own or control any foreign bank accounts, trusts, or financial assets in 2018? You know what? I wonder if those like multi-millionaires that do have those overseas or foreign accounts, you know, I wonder if they even claim that. Because, you know, technically, how can the government even find out or go look for that? You know, when they do audits, I guess, I mean, how would they even, I don't know. That's on a whole nother level, whole nother tax bracket. But no, I did not have that. So, all right, wrap up income. Dig into your tax breaks. Here's what's coming up. Did you have college or university expenses? This includes tuition, fees, and books. No, did not attend college. Do you have any children? No. Do you want to enter any sales tax info? Nothing to claim. Did you make any payments on a home? Don't have one. All right, thanks. Now wrapping up tax breaks. All right, student loans, interest paid. Yes, baby. This is the only other big thing that I have. So we got, did you pay any student loans in 2018? Yes, clicking yes. So let's get my student info. What was the name of your student loans? Me. Why would it be under someone else? What the hell? Name of the lender we have is U.S. Department of Education. Interest paid, which is box 1, a whopping $1,287.90. So $1,287.90 is the total interest I paid in 2018, which, by the way, will increase for 2019. So this should be going up when I do my taxes next year. So continuing, so here's your blah, blah, blah. Give me a summary. I guess they're just rounding up. 1288. Congrats, you qualify for this tax break. Upgrade to Turbo. I qualify? What do you mean I qualify? What? $50? Federal? What? State additional? Are you kidding me? Your current product does not cover new. What does that mean? Oh, we've got you covered. Is it telling me to upgrade? Or I'll upgrade later. Are you sure? What do you mean? It's telling me, am I sure? You need deluxe to accurately complete your taxes because free edition doesn't cover your situation. Wow. Wow, Turbotax. I see you, Turbo. I see you, Turbotax, making me upgrade and pay that $60. Pff. I guess I'm about to do it. Upgrade then, you bastard. Take my money. All right, let's go. Congrats, you get a tax break. After all that, it tells me you get a tax break. So it's charging me 60 bucks. All right, so last one, moving expenses. I moved, but I don't think I have enough, man. Did you pay in expenses for a military move? Oh no, I'm not in the military. Shout out to all the military veterans out there laying down y'all's lives for us so we can enjoy, so we can be out here and make videos and enjoy our lives. Appreciate you guys, veterans. Salute to you. The standard deduction is right for you. Of course it is. I knew it. So it's telling me, based on what I've told them, they're choosing the standard deduction for me. The deduction is $12,000, which will save the most money for me. See, now if I don't choose it, it's telling me that I need to itemize my deductions. You should stick to this. It's just keep telling me to stick to it. So I'm sticking a deduction of $12,000. Click on. I had health insurance covered all year. That's all we need for your 2018. So done with the health. So let's see if you qualify for any uncommon tax situations. I don't think, I mean, I'm like the basic there is besides the interest for school, you know? You hire a live-in nanny in your household? No! Live-in, so I get a tax break if I hire a nanny? Dang. Do you want to designate $3 for, no, presidential campaign? I'm good right now. Did you experience identity theft? No, thank God. That's all we need, Raul. Let's keep it going, wrap it up. So let's go, keep it going. Confirm my social security number, date of birth. Okay, I'm gonna block that out for you guys because you do not need to know that. Let's check your federal return and make sure it's good to go. All right, continue. All right, so now they're checking. So here's drum roll. Nice, your federal return is in great shape. Oh, it's in great shape. Do I have to pay? Is the question. Oh, there it is. You have a $346 tax due so far. What do you mean so far? Nice work so far, Raul. We'll move on to the state taxes next, which Texas does not have any state income tax. What are you talking about? Continue. Texas. It's telling me right there. Texas doesn't require you to file a state return. God bless Texas. Check my info one more time, looking over every detail. There you go. You're good to go, ready to file. Federal taxes are now complete. That took about a good, what was that, 20 minutes maybe, even less? Federal tax due is $346. So that's how much I gotta pay. So that is a first for me. Usually it's between, I get a return between, you know, $50 to $100. But this year, I guess with the new standard deduction of the $12,000 that it kicked in last year for me, I did notice my income increase because of that last year. So I saw that more money every check, so I don't get this huge refund at the end. So now knowing that, I'm gonna go ahead and save this because we are early in March. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out on my budget, which you will see coming up. This is showing you how I file my taxes. It's real simple. Hey, you know, as life goes on, you get married, you have a house, have kids, obviously taxes gets more complicated. So you definitely, I definitely recommend a professional if you guys have that, or if you guys are wondering, you know, how to do your taxes. But if you're simple like me, no kids, no major assets, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the $346 the middle of March, and I'll go ahead and post another video at the end of the month to show you guys how my month of March went, and then so on and so forth. So quick notes to remember, y'all. So don't put off to do your taxes. Do not wait till the last minute to do your taxes. Don't be scared if you owe money. So if you're out there, you're about to file, don't get nervous, or you don't want to file because you're unsure, like, hey, I think I have to pay, I'm gonna wait till the last minute. Don't wait till the last minute file. Knock it out as soon as possible. At least file your taxes. Plan for it ahead of time. Right now you should be doing it because you have a deadline until April 15th to pay. So at least you should do is file your 2018 taxes right now. Like right now. If you're watching this video still, watch the rest of the video. But afterwards, go straight to your tax professional, give them a call or set an appointment or do it online like I did. But plan for it. Budget for it. Do not let it come up and bite you.
It was a bullet, wasn't it? A bullet? That jumped up and bit you.
Oh, yes, sir. Bit me directly in the buttocks. They said it was a $1 million wound, but the Army must keep that money because I still ain't seen a nickel of that $1 million.
Your taxes should not be a surprise to your budget or your finances. It shouldn't be a surprise. It shouldn't. Do not procrastinate on your taxes. Why? Because if you owe, find out how much you owe ASAP. Meaning you gotta file as soon as possible so you figure out if you have to pay, how much do you have to pay. So you can save up and be ready by April 15th. April 15th is the deadline. Even if you can't pay what you owe by April 15th, make sure you at least file your taxes, because there is a fail to file penalty in addition to failure to pay penalty. So even if you can't pay your taxes right now, you at least need to file them before April 15th. If you learn anything in this video, learn you gotta file your taxes by April 15th. If you're always confused at this part of the year about doing your taxes, you do not want to be left with all these penalties and fees you have to owe, because the IRS, the taxes is brutal. The government will reach in your account and take that money, man. So appreciate you guys staying for the ending part of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments or any kind of hints, or if any kind of tips or tricks for taxes that you might know, or maybe that the whole community that watches the video or me can take advantage of, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. Like always, appreciate you guys watching, and holla back at your boy. Peace out. Don't forget to do the taxes. Go do it right now, right now, go, right now.